If you're tired every single time when you open DaVinci changing the project settings and export settings, there's a little trick that I will show you. So let's see. Instead of doing this project settings and changing the settings every single time, and also here in the export, we can do this. Go in this icon, the gear one, and once you set up all your settings like you want, go here in these three little dots and you can choose this set current settings as default, and that will be your project settings every single times that you will open DaVinci. And as well, if you want to do this save current settings as a preset, you can find this when you're exporting the video. For example, if you have long format video, you can make one preset, and if you're uploading shorts, for example, you can make one more preset for that. That's it for today's guys, so see you in the next video.